Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy with Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 212. This one was on PAYX. You can see it was in the impulse strategy. Initially was a long put. This is another example of the adjustment process within Elliott Options, as well as the patience involved in letting a position come to you. So on the original entry, you can see that we had a wave 4 bounce, and it looked like we were then going to have a wave 5 to the downside to complete the full 5-wave pattern to the downside. Well, the stock had other ideas, and it didn't move to the downside. So exercising patience and waiting for the correct time to make the adjustment, we did, and you can see the difference in the pattern at the time of the adjustment. We had come down, created a wave 4, so the stock had drifted to the upside when it was expected to go lower, and then we created the wave 4, now a corrective wave 4 on an upward 5-wave pattern. One of the great things that I like about Elliott Wave is how quick it is to adjust when the pattern changes. So it initially looked like a 5-wave pattern to the downside, it adjusts, so wait for your entry on the upward pattern. The DMI is really good, great separation between the two directional indicators. The ADX is turned back to the upside. Looks like we're going to go higher, and we did explode back to the upside. And so literally 5 days later, we were able to exit this position. You can see the big gap to the upside on the upward move in the market on the morning of the 9th, and that allowed us to turn what was at one point 100% losing position into a 100% gaining position. And for those that weren't in the original alert and signed in as new subscribers afterwards and only caught this adjustment, returned almost 200% on the position. Again, we add subscribers all the time, and I always make a note when alerts are sent out on whether it would be okay for someone to follow an adjustment that may not have been in the original alert. So turned out to be great. Exercise patience. Let the patterns come to you. I like to say that over and over and over again because it's so important to exercise that kind of viewpoint and patience in the world of trading. Hope you found that informative. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.